Hello guys, welcome back to the RC Propaganda YouTube channel. I am Mrs. Propaganda, and in today's video we're gonna bring back to life my Axial Bronco. So if you guys didn't know, this was my first ever crawler. It started as a deadbolt, but I changed the body and painted myself. If you guys want to see me painted it on the video, click the link above. And I miss driving it, but it's naked. Mr. Propaganda stole all of the parts of it, and I miss driving it, so he said he will give me the parts for it, but I have to install them myself. So this is what the video is about, so let's get to it. So as you guys can see, Mr. Propaganda felt bad about me and he installed the motor already, but I do have to install everything else. So I have to put in the ESC hobby wing, the MKS servo, and I'm gonna pair my receiver into my radio link. We just did a video about it. You can see the video in the link above. And I got my wines, so let's get to work. Okay guys, so I'm done with the installs. Now let's plug it in and see if it works. Whee! Okay. Good. Okay, so this truck is all ready to go. Now I just have to pick some wheels and tires. Mr. Propaganda gave me these choices, so I'm gonna take a look at them and make my pick. Okay, so the first choice is this Proline Hyrax mounted on an SSD wheel. Next we have the stock Traxxas wheel and tire. Then we have a J Concepts landmines on an SSD wheel too. And lastly we have the Goodyear Wrangler MTs on a Vanquish wheel. Okay guys, so those are the 4 choices I got, and let me just take another look at them, make up my mind. What should I try? I know I don't want this one. We'll go with I think I'm gonna go with the Goodyear's Wranglers for this time. I don't think I have tried those, I'm not sure, but that's my pick. So let's get this mounted. So what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. I love this body, and it's my first paint job, and I think I did a really good job. I really like it, and plus it's purple. It's a little dusty because it's been sitting on the shelf for a long time, but I miss seeing it on the trails and in the videos, so I wanted to drive it again. So this is gonna be it for this video. Before I go, don't forget to enter our photo contest and send one scale picture to rcpropaganda@yahoo.com. Also follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to leave us one like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and we catch you on the next one.